Hello, my name is Amiraikal bin Kamordin. My matrix number is 01DEE24F1159. Today I will explain about mini hydro power plant. Uh, the impact for JKE is hydroelectric energy benefit the community and JKE by providing clean electricity, supporting sustainable and reduction environment impact. The suitable place is near JKE parking. The reason system can catch rainwater as well. This is the block diagram. First, water to DC motor and then battery to inverter and lastly to plug. That's all my thought about this mini hydro power plant.